Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a voiceover and it's the most requested video on my channel, which is the brush guide video. So I have already washed my face using my favorite Dermaweave Hydra Cleanser. It's an oatmeal based cleanser, and now I'm gonna moisturize my face, and this is the most popular brush on my channel. It's the पैक KO2 brush. Now ये वाला brush जो है, एक मैंने kit ली थी पैक से. I'll insert a picture on the screen, and this is a stippling brush. I use it for moisturization, sometimes to blend out my foundation as well. And I'm gonna use the Nutriderm Vitamin E lotion and apply the moisturizer using the brush. I just feel it's very high maintenance to apply moisturizer with the brush, but I enjoy the process. I am just going to apply the primer using my fingers because I feel like the fingers are the best tool to apply your makeup because they warm up the product so nicely and blends it into your skin. And now I'm gonna do my eyebrows using this brush from PAC. Now this is again a part of a kit like the eye brush kit from PAC, which I absolutely love, but otherwise you can use any angular brush, to be honest. Also, I will be sharing all the product details in the description, and I'll try to put it up on the screen as well, but mainly I'll be talking about the brushes, of course, because it's a brush guide video. I'm just using a Wet n Wild pomade to fill in my eyebrows, and this angular brush is amazing. It has a spoolie. And now I'm going to use this BB cream from Lanka, which is darker than my skin tone, and using it as a bronzer, and using this on this angular brush from London Pride Cosmetics. I love London Pride Cosmetics brushes as well. The quality is amazing. The bristles are really soft, and yeah, I'm just blending it on the places I like to contour. And now using the same stippling brush to apply the foundation, and using this Plumes velvet sponge. This is also very popular on my channel. You guys keep asking me which sponge is this, so this is the one, and I love to blend it out, like the final touch to blend out my foundation. Also, I'll mention all the brush and brand's name on the screen so that it's convenient for you guys. And now is the time for the concealer. I'm using the Makeup Revolution concealer and putting it on the right spots. And now I'm gonna use my favorite brush to blend this out. You guys know it, that PAC 272 is my absolute favorite brush. I love the bristles. I love the way it blends out my concealer. It's like slightly angled, and you'll see how magically it just blends out my concealer. I just cannot go back to any other brush or beauty blender to blend out my concealer now. It just goes in every nooks and corners of my face, nicely blend out everything. Alright guys, now before setting my face with the powder, I'm gonna use my cream products. And this brush, when I say this brush is my absolute favorite to blend out cream products, I mean it. It's so soft, the bristles, oh my god. Also ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर आपको कोई brush किसी specific चीज़ के लिए ही मिला है तो आपको बस उसी के लिए use करना है. You can use your brushes in multi ways. I'm using it for blending out my cream blush, and it just fits in my cheekbones perfectly. You guys can see it. I absolutely love it. Also, this brush right here is an OG, you guys. It's from Shein and I just missed Shein so much. I hope you guys can relate. And using this ELF gel highlighter, and I'm just gonna do the cream products as I told you. And now I'm gonna set my face using the Plumes velvet sponge again. I hope the brush's names are clear for you guys. I've mentioned it clearly on the screen. This is a powder brush from London Pride Cosmetics again. I don't feel the need to use a powder brush. Like, I mostly use my bronzer brush or my blush brush to dust off my bake, but just for the sake of it, I'm using it. And this one is also my favorite. This one is PAC KO3 brush, and it just fits perfectly on my face to bronze up my face. You guys can see I love to use it in circular motion. Ideally you can also use it as your blush brush, but I feel like उसके लिए थोड़ा सा बड़ा लगता है मुझे ये वाला brush, so I use it as my bronzer brush. And now I'm gonna use this eye brush from PAC kit again, using it to contour my nose. Love eye brushes to contour my nose. And this brush is from Amazon, by the way, and this one also was in a kit जो मुझे बहुत पसंद आया ये brush to apply my powder blush. And I'm gonna leave a link of the kit in the description. वैसे उस kit में से मुझे कई गिने चुने brushes ही पसंद आए थे, ऐसा नहीं कि सभी अच्छे लगे थे, तो उन गिने चुनों में से मैंने 2-3 रख लिए जो मैं अभी तक यूज़ कर रही हूँ. एंड ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है कि आपको महंगे प्रोडक्ट्स लेने के बाद ही, महंगे मेकअप के बाद, महंगे मेकअप ब्रशेस के बाद ही आपका अच्छा होगा मेकअप. अप ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, बिकॉज मैंने 2 साल बिना उसके ही काम किया है. आई हैव यूज्ड Amazon Shein brushes only. So now I'm gonna use this brush. इसकी भी बहुत डिमांड है मेरे चैनल पे. This is the one from London Pride Cosmetics. It's their blending brush. I'll put a name on the screen, like the exact name. I love to use it as my highlighter brush, and then I clean it and use it as my transition brush. It just blends out the transition shade on my eyelids so beautifully, you guys can see. And now I'm gonna use this darker shade and use a very slightly denser brush than the previous one. This one is used to pack the shadow on the lid as well as blend it, slightly blend it साथ के साथ. सो आई लव टू यूज़ इट बिकॉज ये सॉकेट मेरे आई सॉकेट में परफेक्टली फिट होता है. एज यू गाइज कैन सी हाउ नाइसली इट्स पैरिंग द शेडो. एंड आई एम अगेन गोना यूज़ द ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश जो मैंने पहले यूज़ किया था लंदन प्राइड से, और उसी से मैं ब्लेंड करूँगी अपने शेडो को. जैसे जैसे हम अपने आईब्रोज के पास जाते रहते हैं ऊपर ऊपर शेडो को, तो हमें फ्लफ़ी ब्रश को यूज़ करना चाहिए, और जैसे जैसे नीचे आते हैं उसी में हमें डेंस ब्रश को यूज़ करना चाहिए. नाउ आई एम गोना यूज़ दिस कट क्रीज brush from PAC again. I don't remember the name at all, so I'll mention it on the screen. And this is one trick that I love to use for my eyes to do my cut crease. It makes it very very sharp. As you guys can see, hooded eyes का यही बहुत फ़ायदा होता है मुझे लगता है. वैसे हर आई में ट्रिक काम होता है. Now I'm going to use this hot pink shade, and I think this is the first brush that I'm using from Plume now. I love to use this brush to pack the shade on my eyelids, like जो main shade होता है जो सबको दिखाई देता है eyelids पे. I love to use this brush for that, and you can see how well it just packs the shadow on my eyelids. And जो cut crease थी, concealer को set नहीं करोगे तो वो अच्छी तरह से shadow को stick करेगा आपके eyelids पे. And now I'm gonna use this very teeny tiny brush from Plume again to very precise blending अपनी cut crease के एकदम ऊपर. So I'm just applying an eyeliner now, a wing eyeliner for the win. And इस look के साथ winged eyeliner बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. I think I'm using the Lotus liner. I don't remember. I'll just mention it on the screen. And I did a very tiny wing today. Now it's time for mascara and lashes. And now back to the packed brushes, and this is my favorite brush to do my lower lash line, you guys. It's so convenient to do it, like जैसे मर्जी blend करो अच्छी तरह. It's so nice. You can smudge your eyeliner with this one. Like it's multitasking brush, I would say. इससे काफ़ी कुछ हो सकता है. eyeliner लगा सकते हो, eyeliner को smudge कर सकते हो. And now I'm gonna use a clean brush to blend out my lower lash line, and this is again from PAC. Mostly my brushes are from PAC, London Pride and Plume, and some are from Amazon and Shein. और किसी brand का मैंने अभी तक try भी नहीं किया है, because I don't feel the need to try those brushes because these are so good. And I think brushes are the best investment you can do in your makeup, because it makes the makeup very nice, I feel like. So अगर एक बार आप ख़रीदोगे तो कोई इतना नुकसान नहीं है, बहुत देर तक बहुत टाइम तक चलेंगे ये वाले ब्रशेज़ आपके. सो या जितने सस्ते ख़रीदोगे उतनी जल्दी वो ख़राब भी हो जाएंगे. तो दैट इज़ वन थिंग दैट आई हैव नोटिस्ड एंड एक्सपीरियंस, टॉकिंग विद एक्सपीरियंस. नाउ आई एम अप्लाइंग दिस very pretty silver kajal from Color Bar. I love it. It's so pigmented. Also taking it to my inner corner as well. You guys can see it just opens up my eyes. And now lining my lips, I think I'm using the Miss Clear lip liner, and definitely overlining my lips because my lips are so thin. I absolutely love the way this look turned out. It's so hot, so sensual. I absolutely felt so confident after this look. And now I'm going to use this Dazzling Diva shade from Cal Los Angeles Intense Matte Lipsticks. Absolutely love the way it is going with my eye look, and my eyes look so nice. Oh my god. Now I'm gonna set my face using the Plum toner, and that is about it. I think I'm not missing anything, I hope. Oh, also I'm just touching up with my blush because camera pe blush hamesha kam lagta hai mujhe, so I'm just redoing it for the last time. Alright guys, that is about it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned कि कौन से brush किस purpose के लिए use करना चाहिए, and I hope you guys enjoyed the look as well. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.